Hi guys, I have a very exciting news for you. As you must be knowing that this is our yearly anniversary week. And during this week, we always come up with very exciting offers for you. And you know what? Lately, we've been trying this amazing PCOS process with our existing clients, and it has started to work like magic. Our clients used to see results in 3-4 months, have started to see the same results in 1-1.5 months using the same process. And I wanted to introduce that in this week itself. And the most exciting part is, as you must be knowing, we have never offered discounts. But we do it only once a year, and that is this time of the year. So we are offering flat 15% discount on our exclusive PCOS program for next 5 days for only 25 women. This is our way of giving back, and this is our way of celebrating our yearly anniversary. Now what I want you to do is go in the bio, click on the link and book a free consultation call with our senior PCOS expert. They will guide you through that entire program, and let's get started. Remember, it's only for next 5 days and it's first come first serve, which is only for 25 people. Let's do it together. Let's reverse PCOS. Cheers.